you get to come out to California, come to this gorgeous campus, and have a conference. At this conference, you hear amazing teachings from Dr. Townsend himself. You get to hear teachings from the fellows. You learn more about your program and your area of study, as well as something that we call process groups. Process groups is the time where you learn more about you, where you do some deep dive work. And whether you are in counseling or executive coaching or org leadership, the work that you do on yourself is one of the most valuable gifts that you can give to the future of your career, to your purpose, and to your goals.
Every class, I get something different. The way that you're able to connect with people in your cohort, the way you're able to connect with your professors, you build something that lasts a lifetime. And it's just been so good.
This experience with each other bonds them as a cohort, but it also connects them to their faculty. And having that relationship that they were able to build just gets them 10 steps forward. We also just have a lot of fun together. So that's a really important aspect of an experience.
To be able to not just begin, but enjoy relationships, that's worth something.
We're a fully accredited academic program in the fields of executive coaching, counseling, and leadership. Check out the Townsend Institute at Concordia University, Irvine, California.